Hey guys, want to organize your dock like mine? I have just figured out a way to make the dock on a Mac way more organized, and it only takes less than 2 minutes if you watch this video. iPhone recently had an update allowing users to create blank space in their homepage to better organize their apps, like on my home screen right here. But how do you do this on a Mac? It's actually quite simple. The first thing you need to do is open an app called Terminal. Don't worry, Terminal is an app installed into your Mac already, so you don't need to download it. To easily access this, go to Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus space and enter Terminal like this. Click on the Terminal app that comes up as a result. You'll see a small window like this pop up. First, let's test it out. Turn your computer volume up and type "Say hello" into Terminal and then press Enter. Your computer should audibly say hello to you. Back to our main goal, I am going to show you some code that you will need to paste into the terminal in order to add a spacer to the dock, which really helps with organization. Paste this code right here. You could type the code in, but to make it easier I included this code in the description of this video, which makes it much easier to paste into the terminal. After pasting into the terminal, press Enter. Now, look at your dock. It has a spacer in it. The spacer behaves like an invisible app that you can drag wherever you want in the dock. To get rid of it, simply drag and drop it out onto the desktop, like this. If you want to have more of them in your dock, simply paste the code into the terminal and press Enter as many times as you would like. Now you can rearrange them to form app groups, say for social media, productivity, video creation, and so on. That's basically it. This should completely revamp your dock organization just like the iPhone update did for apps on the home screen. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.